Hello, teacher. Good afternoon. My name is Jonathan Ortega, a student of grade 9-1, and we are going to do an interview with the famous James Rodriguez, the captain of the Colombia national team. James, what what you want seem to start playing football? Oh, have you done before you played in the Ford Cup 2014? James Aswer. Hi, have mom the goal but and she had played for the best team in Europe. Had before. I went to the Ford Cup in whom train in Envigado.